News
2017, we're back, and there is really a lot of news to report from our company. After all, we're living in exciting times and working in an exciting industry. In this context, I would like to mention the topic of AGVs, automated guided vehicles for driverless transportation, which have become part of our product range in the meantime. At this year's symposium, we also dealt with the topic of drones. All this is not least due to the fact that we are working in a very exciting industry, the automotive industry, which does not stop but keeps on moving forward. You can see it in the news. There are new developments in the automotive industry every day. Just look at the current issues like electric mobility, car sharing, new mobility concepts that are being developed, and we're part of it. We're glad to be part of it. We really enjoy it, and we hope you enjoy watching our latest Tunkers news.
Ni hao.
Ni hao. Yes, we have been working in China, in Shanghai for 15 years now with Tunkers Machinery and Automation China. And the fact that China is the most promising market for the automation industry is no secret anymore, I believe. This is the reason why we started to plan a new location there. However, Shanghai is no longer our first choice, because as you may know, the area is so densely populated that industrial production is no longer welcome. So we will move to Taicang, which is located about 50 kilometers off the city center of Shanghai. In the countryside, we may say, with a somewhat better quality of life, cleaner air, parks, etc. We recently signed a contract to buy a building site with 10,000 square meters here. We will erect a plant with a floor space of about 20,000 square meters here and enable about 300 employees to manufacture clamping systems, gripper systems, conveyor systems, lift and carry conveyors, etc., and establish a proprietary CNC production system. The entire project will start in early 2018, and we plan to move into the new Tunkers location in 2019 and start working there. We are really looking forward to it. After all, it's the first time since about 40 years that Tunkers is erecting a new building. Up until today, we have always used existing rented buildings or acquired neighboring ones. We hope that in this green environment of Taicang, we can improve the quality of life of our employees, which is not always that great in Shanghai. And I believe that by buying this site, we have a very good position in China for the next 50 years.
Ankauf dieser Flächen für die nächsten 50 Jahre in China sehr gut aufgestellt sind.
Tunkers is expanding its premises again. We're here on a new site for a new production hall. This is the goods receipt department for which a new hall is being erected, including the goods receipt inspection. The hall will have about 800 square meters, so that we can receive all materials delivered to Tunkers here, enter them in the system, inspect and forward them for further processing. Another building is currently being erected for Expert. We are using the last unoccupied site we have in Losch to erect a new hall with 1,600 square meters. The hall is about 10 meters high. It will be used for the construction of large systems and provide an assembly area for Helu. To accommodate for our constant growth, we have erected a 1,200 square meter lightweight hall earlier this year. This is where our symposium took place. In the meantime, this hall is being used as a warehouse and sometimes even for assembly. However, it is meant to be a warehouse in the first place.
Konnichiwa, Tunkers Japan no Kaku desu. My name is Tomo Kaku, working for Tunkers Japan. We found the company last end of year, and we have 3 employees there. My office is located in Fukuoka City. Fukuoka City is the southwest side of Japan. If you have an opportunity to visit Fukuoka, please come to my office. Thank you.
Die Drohnentechnologie erhält jetzt auch Einzug in die Automobilindustrie.
Drone technology is now being used in the automotive industry too. We at Tunkers are working at developing a transport drone that takes components from a central warehouse to a production site to enable a highly flexible manufacturing process. We combine the drone with various sensors. On the one hand, there is an infrared sensor. This collision sensor detects people the drone is approaching, calculates evasion maneuvers, and flies accordingly. In addition, the drone is combined with an ultra-wideband technology. This technology allows for navigation in the production hall. This is forward-looking technology, made by TUNKERS. Automotive body-in-white assembly systems must be increasingly flexible. This is why TUNKERS develops driverless transportation systems, so-called automated guided vehicles, or AGVs. My name is Christian Dreyer. I'm the product manager for AGVs at TUNKERS. What you see here is an accumulating conveyor AGV. These AVGs have a modular structure. The accumulating conveyor may be replaced by a gripper system, for example. As you can see, our AGVs are safe, even in the presence of people. Electrical engineering is becoming more and more important for body-in-white assembly. My name is Ralf Goertz, and I'm the head of the Electrical Engineering and Mechatronics Department of TUNKERS. Up until recently, electrical engineering was part of the Engineering Design Department. The new department was formed to equip the 9 modules of automation with targeted electric engineering solutions. Our colleagues will contact us when it comes to issues of electrical engineering, and our customers will contact us when it comes to developing electrical engineering solutions for automotive assembly. We are here in the quality management section. My name is Rainer Stuhlmüller, and I'm head of quality management, where we gathered various sections, such as the handling of the management systems, the classical quality assurance section, goods receipt inspection, and measurements during production, as well as health and safety and handling hazardous substances, and staff training in the field of fire protection and first aid. The customer service is also part of the section. It is very important for us as we maintain our own customer service bases at all locations of the automotive industry worldwide in order to provide our customers with the required services on short notice. In quality management, our focus is on handling the management systems for quality assurance. We also deal with environmental issues, sustainable resource management, and energy management. In summary, we can say that gathering these activities in one department is beneficial because in many cases these issues overlap. We have created clearer structures to realize shorter reaction times for our customers.